Philpott Pibbins-Belch here. As you might remember, the last time we met I was in London, getting ready for the second part of my trip, the magnificent Scottish city of Edinburgh. Day 4 saw me at beautiful King's Cross Station, waiting for my train to Edinburgh. And we were off. I settled in for a long and comfortable ride through the magnificent English countryside. I reached my destination and headed directly to my friends, Doctors G and G, who were kind enough to put me up for my stay.
The School of Divinity, New College.
Sadly, I had but one day to spend in Edinburgh, so I decided to make the most of it.
Splendid stuff.
Princes Street offered a spectacular view, so I trudged up the Mound.
Greetings from Edinburgh Castle.
Difficult to believe such a magnificent building was originally designed as a caber-tossing arena. Is there no end to the folly of the Scots?
Here I am on the Royal Mile.
Leading from the castle to Holyrood Palace, the Royal Mile is a street of many treasures.
That's true.
The sun shone brightly, and I decided to take a little exercise.
I'm walking along the Salisbury Crags. Breathtaking.
It was a superhuman effort, but I pressed on all the same. With frequent pauses to take in the splendid vistas.
What a magnificent view!
Contrary to popular belief, the Salisbury Crags are not made of meat. They are in fact mountains surrounding the extinct volcano known as Arthur's Seat. I was impressed.
Absolutely marvelous. Magnificent.
There was only one problem.
And now for the climb down.
Well, off I go.
I'm speaking with an actual American. Ah, what an opportunity for cultural exchange, a meeting of nations. So much to talk about. Can you recommend a good place for me to take my luncheon?
He did know of a rather nice pub, and along with his companion Rachel, and Dr. G, of course, we spent a cracking evening discussing all things cultural.
I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down.
Finding myself back in London, I decided to visit Hyde Park, beginning at the magnificent Marble Arch.
Ah, the magnificent Marble Arch. And more pigeons. Hello, hello.
After the pigeons, I decided to offer my opinions at Speaker's Corner.
Slice. And furthermore, today's children have no respect for their elders. Why, just the other day I was on the tube, and no one gave up their seat for me. No one. They could see I was struggling. I had parcels. I had difficulty walking. It was disgusting.
Feeling refreshed, I took a stroll through the park itself.
Along the banks of the majestic Serpentine, a thing of rare beauty in this afternoon mist. Hello there. Hello. Hello. How are you? Wonderful day, isn't it? Magnificent. Hello.
After a relaxing afternoon stroll through the park, I was ready to take in that most majestic of cathedrals.
Here I am am at St. Paul's Cathedral. Built in 1956 by Mr. Paul Saint, it is one of the oldest churches in all of England. Modern refurbishments conducted last year include heated pews, wireless internet access for all worshippers, and a small coffee shop near the nave reputedly serves the best espressos in all of London. Magnificent! I really don't think I need to explain where I am right now.
What London visit would be complete without stopping by Buckingham Palace? Not even a world traveler such as myself would remain indifferent to the majesty of the place.
Magnificent! Splendid! Marvelous! Makes you proud to be British. God save our gracious Queen! God save our gracious Queen! Splendid!
Nothing could be better than to end one's travels in the serenity of St. James Park, watching the swans and other denizens of the famous pond.
Confidence is a preference for the habitual voyeur of what is known as.
Good night, London. I shall cherish your treasures forever. And that was my trip to London, UK, with a stop in Edinburgh, of course. I hope you enjoyed the voyage as much as I did. Won't you join me next time as I travel the world and unravel its mysteries? I hope you will. I'm Philpott Pibbins-Belch. Good night.